Hey, Justin Labato here outside of the Autogeek show car garage, and today we have the wonderful DP Foam Soap Extreme. Now, this is a great soap in regards to being super versatile. This is good for your foam guns, your foam cannons, and I'll back up a little bit. Remember, your foam gun is something that attaches to your standard garden hose, as to where your foam cannon is what attaches to your pressure washer wand. So that way you understand the difference between the two. And of course, this also being good for putting it in your standard wash bucket. But the thing about this soap is that just like all the DP lineup, it's very inexpensive. So cost-wise for the end user, whether it be an enthusiast or a professional detailer, this line of product is what's gonna save you a ton of money and the best bang for the buck in regards to quality. But jumping into the DP Foam Soap Extreme, let's get into how this stuff works. So this is something that basically you're gonna have your foam cannon here, and you're gonna wanna go ahead and fill your foam cannon up. I put it to about 750 mil on this specific model. And then with the soap itself, you wanna put in about 2 ounces. Now you can add a little bit more if that's something where your personal preference, you wanna get more suds, more foam, it won't hurt. Put my top back on, make sure I mix it up really good. Now don't go too crazy with this, because obviously it could slosh around and get everywhere, as you can see here. However, let's move into attaching this. Now make sure that when you do this type of attachment, that you get it completely on there the right way with that coupling. Now, the one thing about this soap is when I say extreme, this is a high foaming pH balanced soap. So this is gonna be super nice for vehicles that don't have any protection, but especially for those that have wax, paint sealant, coatings, whatever it may be, it complements that into providing a good, clean surface. Back up a little bit. Nice, thick shaving cream consistency for what you would be looking for. Now granted, this vehicle is already ceramic coated, so most of the time with other products, that starts to just fall off. But this soap is so thick, the viscosity and it's the foam of it that comes out is so thick that it actually clings to the surface. When it clings like this, that's what's gonna help break down, with the surfactants in the soap, help break down the surface film and road grime. So that way when you actually go back to touch it, to wash it with friction, you don't have to worry about all that road grime and dirt and everything mixing in between your wash mitt and the paint. So this is more of a precautionary step or an insurance step prior to washing a vehicle that will help in regards to keeping it looking good and maintaining the cosmetic value. Let's go ahead and rinse this down. You can see how easy it is to rinse down. It still has a cling effect even during the rinsing process, which is grabbing all that road grime, dirt, and film and just rinsing it right down to help get you into your next step to ensure a nice, good, safe wash process. Get out of that honeycomb grill there where it really likes to build up. That, my friends, is the DP Foam Soap Extreme. So of course, if you want to learn more about any of the DP products, or of course, the DP Foam Soap Extreme, visit autogeek.com.